again. We're filming. Alrighty.
120.
So 20 is the minimum speed of the machine, and we are in low gear. There we are at 20. Machine noise in the background there, don't mind that.
You guys can speed it up.
Do we want to start that over?
No, that's fine. That's right. There's that 30 right there.
We're at 30, all right, Matt. Shut it off. Let's run it around 50. So there we're running at 50.
I'm ramping up to 75. 75 there.
Well, I don't see or hear anything concerning in low gear, do you? All right, go ahead and shut her off. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in high now. Yep, start. No weird noises when we put it in high. And let's start her out at 500 in high, and we'll run it up to 2,000. At 2,000 is the maximum speed on this machine. Fire it off, Matt. There is 500.
Go to 750.
Wind her up. There she's at 750.
Let me go back. Let me go the other way. There's that 500. I'll go the other way. I'll slow it down. It's 450. 400. 350.
We're probably good there, Matt. We're going to hit a point where we should be running on the low gearbox.
There's that 300 right there. So, like a 5. Alright.
But so let's crank her up to 1,000 here.
1,000?
Yep. Machine's max speed's 2,000, so here's half. We can see on our display we're running at 993 right there. Go ahead and wind her up, Matt.
1,100. 1,192.
1,300. There's 15. But go ahead and shut her down, Matt. Let's give it the max speed.
That's gradually breaking. Alright, here goes max speed. Ready?
Yes, sir. There she is at 2,000 RPMs. Our display on the screen confirms that. And she sounds pretty healthy to me. It's up to the viewer's judgment. Alright, I think we got what we need, boss. We can go ahead and wind her down.
You know the sound.